It's been about an hour and we have a few bubbles started. And this is after 3 hours. Not much happening. Some more bubbles building up and getting slightly taller above the line. Here we are after 6.5 hours. Not much happening. There are a few bubbles, but it looks like this might take more than a few hours. 9 hours in and we're starting to get somewhere. See those bubbles on the top? And there's more on the side. And after 16 hours, we have officially doubled, and we can use the sourdough starter to make some bread.